Okay, it is getting tougher live from Jetu Junction. As you can see, they already have a live cow standing. They said they want to make some meal here and they're going to take their meal for both the lunch and dinner. As you can see, there's a live cow standing here. Reporting live from Auchi, Edo State, Jetu Junction precisely, we are still here taking record of what is happening, and there's a free movement between the community of Auchi and Jetu Buzare. As you can see, the road is still blocked, very, very blocked. They are actually ready, the concerned youth and citizens of Edo State. The protest is peaceful. As you can see, we have bag of rice, we have water, we have drinks, all of them. They are around, so we are reporting live. Stay tuned as we keep you updated on the happenings at Auchi, Edo State, Kogi State. All they are asking for is for the government to make repairs of the bad road and spots all over from Abuja to Benin. This federal roads has been so very bad for a long while, and they want it fixed. They want it fixed because once it's raining season, they can apply these roads again. A journey of 2 days might take them a journey of 2 weeks. So they are asking that the federal government come and answer them, and it's a peaceful protest. As you can see, we have the security personnel on ground. It is very calm and peaceful. It is very calm and peaceful. We have the police, Nigeria Police Force, we have the civil defense, and we have the Nigerian Army on ground. So we are still reporting live from the Jetu Junction. Stay tuned as you keep hearing from us. As you can see, the pots are already here. They are about to start the cooking. Yeah, and they are going to cook here, eat here, and remain here until the government answer them. If it takes them a month or two, they are ready to remain here. Thank you.
Wallahi sai dai abin da zai aiki. A bude mana hanya mu wuce, ba bude mana hanya mu wuce ba. Ai blocking kowa ya tsaya. I go able to apply like somebody to get money that will
Where they get drunk. See where the better.
go school.